Please check the product information on the side of the box to confirm that the products are correct, including model and color. And record the bike's serial number for warranty. Use a knife to cut the strap and the tape over the box. Open the box. Cut the cardboard along the edges with a knife. Use flat nose pliers to cut the upper seat stainless steel cable wires. Use a 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench to unscrew the bolts on the top of the iron frame. Make sure to keep the top frame on top of the side support rods to prevent the top frame from falling and scratching the body. After all the top bolts are removed, carefully remove the top iron frame. Unscrew the screws on the 4 side frame columns and remove the frame columns. Use scissors to cut off the plastic packaging of the bike body. Remove the front end from the package and insert the front center axle into the axle hole. Be careful not to scratch the body panels. Remove the remaining packaging. Then remove the front wheel and place it to the side. Remove all the packaging from the scooter carefully. Use the key to open the seat. Locate the accessory box and charger. Open the accessory box. These are all the accessories you received. Remove the front axle spacers. Kick down the center stand. Use a 14mm socket and a 17mm wrench to unscrew the front axle nut. With a flathead screwdriver, widen the gap between the brake pads. Please have a friend help hold the bike for you or place an air jack underneath the bike to support the front of the bike. Remove the front brake with a 10mm socket. Grab the front wheel, place the shorter spacer into the groover of the wheel hub, on the side of the brake rotor. Install the front wheel. Twist the front shock to create more space for the spacer. Place the long spacer in the groove of the wheel hub. Pass the axle through the long spacer and the shock. Thread in the nut for the front wheel axle. Gently push the brake caliper onto the rotor. Then adjust the position of the brake caliper. Use 10 mm socket, tighten the front wheel brake. Unscrew the bolts on the panel. Detach the front panel from the bike and disconnect the 4 wires. Located the bolt and nut. Pass the bolt through the neck spacer and the front fork column. Use a 10 mm socket and a 10 mm wrench to fully tighten the bolt. Lower the jack. Gently remove the base iron frame. Remove the 2 screws on the front shock absorber. Remove the horn. Align the holes on the fender with the mounting bracket. Pass the M6 bolts through the fender and the mounting bracket on the front fork. Tighten the 2 bolts with tools. Reinstall the horn. Install the screws of the front fender. The same applies to the other side. Lift up the front panel and attach the wiring. Connect wires of the same color. Lift up the front panel and attach it back to the bike. There are a total of 6 screws to install, 2 large ones and 4 small ones. Thread in the 2 bigger body panel screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Then install the remaining 4 small screws onto the body panel. Make sure they are fully tightened. Located the remaining 4 large screws and install them underneath the body panel. Make sure they are fully tightened. Located the pedal arms, pedals and screws. Identify the left and right pedal arms. Put the right pedal arm to the pedal axle. Tighten the screw. Place the dust protector on the pedal arm. Repeat the same procedures for the pedal arm of the other side. Two pedal arms should be at 180 degrees. Identify the left and right pedals. Gently thread in the right pedal clockwise. Fully tighten the pedal with a 15mm wrench. Gently thread in the left pedal anti-clockwise. Fully tighten the pedal with a 15mm wrench. Located the mirrors. Thread the mirror in the mirror holder. Tighten the locking nut after the mirror is adjusted to your preferred position. Move the rubber cap to the bottom. Do the same on the other side. Use the key to open the seat. Turn on the circuit breaker. Apply the front brake several times to ensure it is working properly. Turn on the bike. Check if the headlights, daytime running lights, and turn signals are functioning properly.